Morning team. It's Wednesday, October 25, 25th. I don't know. I'm always wrong on these things. We got news in New York today. I don't know why the guy took so late, but better, so. Not gonna do any shenanigans today. What is happening here? Yeah, London looks pretty quiet. This. Anyway, so yesterday we took previous day high and dumped big time. We made 106 pips on Monday. We we came back 110 pips on Tuesday. Well, if you ask me, daily market structure is still up, still pointing up. But of course, the rejection is quite bearish. Also, I was expecting this from this rejection block. If you look at weekly now, it looks really, really bad. This weekly raid in the making. Let me clean a little bit. This weekly raid in the making is anything but bullish. But weekly is still, we are still like not even halfway through the week, so no, I don't want to get too much fixated on this chart. Also, I have to be honest, this was resistance and we spent almost a week below resistance, you know, like 5-6 days before breaking up. Usually this is like high resistance liquidity run. I think we should see at least a bounce. If I look just at this chart, I think we should see at least a bounce. I don't know if we're gonna make new high. I doubt, but anyway, let's go to our charts. Here we have a series of 1, 2, 3 inside candles. These are an order block for me, okay? All of this is like a big order block for me. So we are in the middle of the order block, in a bullish order block. So if I look only at this chart, I still think we should go higher. At least some bounce, okay? Same thing for H4. This is a bullish order block for me. So we are in a support, untested, just got down, filled the fair value gap, and now we're slightly pushing higher. Doesn't mean we're gonna moon, but yeah, it's start to give some reaction after yesterday dump. H1 is another story. H1 start to BMS all the way down. Began here. This swing low that was made in Asia, then this one, then this one. I mean, it doesn't look too good. The move down was quite efficient here. You know, there is no fair value gaps in the second half of the move, but in the first half, it's not efficient. It's a flat top. It was a volume imbalance. This part of the move, it has big fair value gaps for sure. If you go on H4, yeah, all of this is a fair value gap. Yeah, we can put the fibs because in the end this was like an. So if I look only at this chart and we ever go up and we ever start to go higher, anything above 50% should be a valid short. But yeah, only if I look at H1, H4 and H12 are still bullish to my eyes. So yeah, despite this big dump, I have to stick to what I see. And right now, I see support. I see untested support after the high resistance liquidity run, and I need to stick to what I see. As I said, let's go to the time frame. This is a bit confusing because, well, this is a valid support. This is a scam liquidity. The liquidity I marked out yesterday was perfectly, but then I expected more distribution. You know, I expected some more sideways before going to dump. Instead, they rejected hard, straight down. So I see liquidity below this Asia, and I don't like it. Then I see this untested and 15 bearish of the block, which is kind of a valid area of interest. And if we ever go back up here, so I'm marking up, and then of course all the move down here is unmitigated, and if we ever go back up here, it will be nice to look for a short scalp or something. Anyway, I don't know what to do right now. Yes, the recent flow is bullish. We're printing higher high and higher low, but the liquidity of Asia is extremely scammy. So this is what I can see right now. Something like that would be extremely nice. Take this liquidity. If we do a big raid, maybe we go up into this untested area of interest. Something like this will make me happy for longs. What is this? What is this gap? Okay, only that feed has it. Well, anyway, I can see something like that. Well, this is different. The fuck? Yeah, I have to trust Saxo, I'm sorry. So, if I see a nice rate of Asia, lows, and yesterday low, a big push rejection for the lows higher, then I'm gonna look for longs, at least into this untested 63 area of interest. Instead, if we start to close steadily below these lows, maybe I wait for them to finally break the support, like this area, the support, and then I look for shorts, something like this. If we start to close way below, you know, maybe you come back up, take a ride, and then go lower. I can see that, but I want them to close hourly charts below these lows. Let me see. Yeah, if we start to close way below these ones, I can see a reason to go lower, because anyway, look at this. This is stupid liquidity. This is also a lot of liquidity here. Let me show you. But yeah, weekly never shifted bullish. Just daily was bullish, and weekly now is doing its job. So let's see. It's still early. It's just 8 o'clock. I'm not going to rush in anything. There is no news in London, so maybe we're gonna get a slow price action, especially after 2 days of 200 pips, you know. Maybe we see some choppiness today. But yeah, these are my two areas of interest. This and this. If you put a gun to my head, I hope they're gonna go higher. Because as I said, the daily is still up. I would love something like this myself. That's enough for me for today. I will post more charts later and the video tomorrow. Bye.